Dhiren is talking about 80-20 rule. I'm not sure what you exactly heard, but there was an 80% kind of a rule, which again is no longer valid concept. I'll explain to you what it means. So what Jim used to say is, this is the value area, all right, and there is this value area high and value area low, which you cannot see on my charts because I don't like that. I don't plot that. So these are not references. Anyone who tells you that see market got supported at value area high, resisted at value area low, or anything in between, immediately understand that that person is an idiot, does not understand market profile at all. These are the boundaries of first standard deviation. Okay, half the people who are trading the markets don't understand what first standard deviation is. They might have made a lot of money, but they might not understand the statistical concept. There is absolutely no logical reason why you should consider it as a resistance and support. But still, what Jim used to say is, if there is a value area and let's say market comes here, imagine that this day is not there, we opened higher and we are coming back down. So if it trades inside a value area, it will quickly travel to the other side of the value area. What he said was, if you start trading inside the value area, 80% of the time it will travel to the other side. That can be observed on the chart. I'm not saying it is not happening or it cannot be observed. Should we use it as a trade setup? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Under no circumstances I am advising to use that as a trade setup. Whether it works for you or not, I don't care. It has no logical basis for that. And that is precisely the reason why Jim also does not use it. You will not hear him talk about 80% rule anymore. He will not talk about rotation factors. He will not talk about those open drives, open test drives. No, he's not talking about all that. He is also not talking much about the day types. Very rarely he will mention that. All he is focusing on is the trade facilitation, right? So focus on that. That is the best thing you should focus on. That is the best thing that will give you the most bang for your buck, all right?